In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Firebase for your Gdevelop game leaderboards. First, open your browser and head to console.firebase.google.com, then sign in with your Google account. You'll land on the Firebase console. Create a new project by selecting Add Project, give it a clear, recognizable name, and decide whether you want to enable Google Analytics. Analytics is optional, so feel free to leave it off for a simple setup. Accept the terms and let Firebase create the project. It may take a moment to provision everything. Once your project is ready, you'll register it as a web app. In the project dashboard, look for the web icon with angle brackets. It's the third option among the platform buttons. Click it to register. Even if your final game will run on desktop or mobile, Gdevelop integrates Firebase through the Web SDK, so registering as a web app is the right choice here. Give the app a name you'll recognize later, and make sure to untick Set up Firebase Hosting. Since we only need configuration for the SDK and not hosting, Firebase will now show you a code snippet containing a configuration object. Carefully copy only the part between the curly braces, everything inside and. You don't need the surrounding variable declaration or initialization code. Treat this as your app's connection details, and avoid sharing it publicly. Next, open the Gdevelop project where you want to add the leaderboard. Go to your project properties. You'll see a field labeled Firebase Configuration. Paste the configuration you copied into this field. Before you're done, make sure it's valid JSON. Gdevelop expects strict JSON formatting, which means every key must be wrapped in double quotes. For example, change API key to API key. Do this for all keys in the object. Also double-check that there isn't a comma after the last key value pair. A trailing comma will cause a parsing error. If you're unsure, a quick pass through a JSON validator can help catch typos or missing quotes. Save your project. That's it. Gdevelop now knows how to connect to your Firebase project. When you run a preview or build, the game will use these settings to communicate with Firebase services behind the scenes. If you run into a JSON error in Gdevelop, it almost always points to a missing quote or an extra comma, so revisit the formatting and try again. With the configuration in place, you're ready to implement leaderboard logic using Gdevelop's Firebase-related features.